my name is Roger. I own Extreme Exterior Cleaning, a professional cleaning company down here in Southwest Florida. We are here with Screenguard. This is Screenguard Part A. It's also used to, it's a all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. Works best on aluminum shutters, any metal really. It'll help clean, and screens, fabric like this. It's made specifically for this. And we are one of the only approved applicators in Southwest Florida to apply this. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it to these dirty screens. As you can see, we've got a lot of dust and pollen here. You can see my finger marks going through it. And then this is some of the dirt and dust we're wiping off. We're gonna get all that cleaned up for them. Alright, so if we're using a Screenguard Part A cleaner and degreaser, you want to use 3 ounces for every gallon. I have about 3 gallons in here right now. I've already made this mixture up, so I'm not going to put any more in. Alright, so before you apply your cleaner and degreaser, you want to go ahead and rinse off the surface that you're going to be cleaning with just regular water to free it up from any loose dirt and debris. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Rinsing it down beforehand also helps spread the product a little farther. That way you can save some material. And when you're rinsing down, you want to be careful. You never want to spray directly up into where the motors are, because that'll just cause you problems later on. They're good motors. They don't ever need to be serviced. But just like anything, if you deliberately ruin it, then it's going to need to be serviced eventually. Alright, so now that we have the screens rinsed down, you want to go ahead and get some of that Part A on a soft bristle brush. And go ahead and apply it to the whole screen. Don't push too hard. You don't want to put any holes in the screen. You don't need much pressure. Let the chemical do the work. You want to make sure you agitate all of it. That way you're not getting any of the tougher dirt and debris that's stuck there. You want to knock it loose. Alright, so when you're cleaning, you always want to make sure that you're getting these bottom bars, because here in Southwest Florida, we live real close to the Gulf, so all that sea mist and everything that comes over onto the shore will get on the metal and everything like that, and when that salt gets on the metal, it will corrode it and cause the weights that are in these screens to blister, and then when you put them down, they'll leave marks on the bottom of the floor. Alright, so right now, we're just rinsing the screens off. You want to rinse them off from the inside out. That way when you're blowing them all off and rinsing them, you're not getting all that extra overspray on your glass right here or any furniture you may have inside the screens. And it's really important that you get it all rinsed off. That way you're removing all the salt and any contaminants from the aluminum in the screens.